Welcome to growing your own food in your own backyard. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the like button, and I welcome your comments. I like to share my tips for growing Eastern Concord grapevines. The Eastern Concord grapevines is a vigorous deciduous vine with deep green foliage and medium-sized, edible, highly aromatic blue-black grapes, and the skin separates easily from the fruit. Harvesting is usually late August to September, and pruning is important to maintain vine form and improve fruit quality. This should be done before early spring, right before dormancy breaks. I constructed a support system using two different training systems. The top wire is a cordon training system, and the bottom wire is a spur training system. Although the Eastern Concord grape is suitable for growing in Colorado, over the course of 4 years, I discovered that Colorado's climate and high altitude brought challenges to growing this type of cultivar. The two issues I've had with this cultivar in our climate is Concord grapes are susceptible to leaf rust and uneven ripening. The leaf rust is a result of rust fungus, which mainly occurs in warm temperatures, which is wind-borne spores. This problem typically occurs in July when the temperatures start climbing above 90 degrees. The first sign of this problem, I immediately removed and discarded the affected foliage and organically sprayed the vine foliage with neem oil. I also started covering the vines with a micro mesh shade cloth, which you see against the fence. This management system significantly decreased the leaf rust problem. Another problem that plagues Concord grapes is uneven ripening. According to the experts, the reasons are not completely understood, but it is thought to be due to high temperatures which affect the sugar in the grape cluster. Colorado is 5,000 feet above sea level, our sun is extremely intense, and we get a lot of sunshine in Colorado. Therefore, it was necessary to start shading the vine. Again, I purchased the micro mesh shade cloth and started covering the grapes when the temperatures was 85 degrees or higher. This year, the shading reduced the temperature by 8 degrees, and I saw a significant improvement in my grape cluster being more uniformly ripe. Also, the micro mesh shade cloth kept the birds and squirrels away. I'm happy to say with this management system, I saw a healthier grapevine. The Concord grapes would turn a darker shade 2 or 3 weeks before peak harvest. The Concord grapes are very sweet when eaten as a table grapes, and the seeded grapes juices very well without adding sugar. It's harvest time. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell.